Yeah, hi and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about Twitter today, and we're going to be finding out how to change your Twitter username. So let's head over to the desktop and we're going to show you exactly how you can go and do this. Okay, so we've come on to Twitter, and this is one of my Twitter accounts. I'm going to show you how to change the @ name, which is the username on your Twitter account. Now, you obviously choose this when you first actually create an account. So you can actually change this if you want, but it's not as straightforward as you think. So we're just going to quickly go through with and show you how to do this. Now, if you normally click on your edit profile, which is where you think it would be, well, you can edit your name here, but you can't actually edit your username. So what you have to do, you come across to the More tab here, and then you click on Settings and Support, and then you also click on Settings and Privacy. Now this opens up this window here, and as you can see, the first one here, it says Account Information. Now you'd normally be prompted to put in your password into here, and then obviously you fill in your password, and then you come through to this part here, and as you can see here, it says Username, so you can click on that, and then this is where you can obviously change this to whatever you like, but obviously as long as it hasn't already been taken. And then you just click on the save button here, and then that will be updated on your account. So that's how quick and easy it is to actually go and change the username on your Twitter account. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch our whole playlist about Twitter marketing here. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.